Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change current default time zone in Kali Linux. Right-click Time, Properties. Type your location. Time zone is changed successfully. Second method is click Terminal. Type sudo space sug. Type your admin password. Type dpkg-reconfigure space tz data. Select your region. Press Tab key. Default time zone is changed successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.